everybody. Today is through third grade. Are you so excited? Today is the first day, which is lesson 1, and we're gonna also review some of the things we learned in second grade, like arithmetic. Now we're gonna learn phonics. For today, we're gonna learn about a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. Understand? So, if a group of words do not express a complete sentence, it is called a phrase. Say with me, a phrase. A phrase is something like Uncle Bob and Aunt Kelly. Because they're missing what happened, what do they do, what's happening in their life, or maybe more sentence. But it didn't matter how short the sentence is or how long the sentence is. The matter is, there should be a complete thought. Some sentence is very, very, very short. By only one letter, they are a complete sentence. I don't know that, but that's super weird, right? But I know nothing but the words like that because they have the verb, they have the subject, they have the predicate, and they have the meaning part. They know what the verb is. So, if it's not a phrase, it's not a sentence, you will say no. If it's a sentence, you will say yes. Now let's get to our game. It's actually a game called Sentence Relay. So let's get to the playing. Understand now? When my sister saw a snail, she gasped in fear. Is that a complete sentence? Yes, that is. Because who is the sentence about? My sister is about. And what is she doing? She's gasping in fear. And what did he saw? Saw is a verb. He saw a snail. Well, I'm not scared of snail, but I'm scared of spider. Spider is not one of my scariest things. A little spider like this is not scary, but if they land on my head, I'll probably scream, even though they don't do anything. But a long-legged spider is the scariest thing. Well, it didn't do anything, but they look super scary. Don't know, but I'm not going to be brave. Just try. Maybe I'll try one more time. Okay, but let's get back to our sentence relay. And now let's get another one. My aunt made me a toy. Wow, you know how to make a toy. Is that a sentence? Yes, it is. We know who it's about. My aunt is the one who about. And what's she doing? She's making me a toy. Wow, how fun is that? Now, let's get to another one. Goldfish swam. Is that a sentence? No, it's not. We know what it's about. The sentence is about a goldfish, right? And the verb is swam. But where did it swim? What did it happen? That's the one who is missing. If only one part is missing from a sentence, it's not a sentence anymore. We will have 3 more and our game will be finished. And maybe we can play girl versus boy one day. So, let me think. My bed is made out of hay. Is that a complete sentence? Yes, that is. We know what it's about. Whose bed is that? My bed. What is it made of? It's made of hay. Maybe not so poor. Maybe it's the poor children, right? Maybe some of you thought it's not a sentence, but it's a real complete sentence. Now, let's get to this one. Let me see. The seahorse swam. What's that again? Remember the goldfish swam? That's not a sentence either. What happened? Where did it swim? And was it a sea? Maybe you can ask other verbs to help others understand what it means. Now, this last one will be a little tricky. It's likely to find the hardest thing for you. Let me see. Uranus, Jupiter, Earth. Think about that. Is that a sentence? I think you know it because we're just reviewing back. This is the last one. Well, it's not. Wait, is that 3? Did I say 5 more? 3 more? I think I said 3 more, right? So this is the last one. Is that a sentence? No. Okay? I think I tricked some of you if you're watching this video, but it's actually not a sentence because Jupiter, Uranus, Earth. Earth is my favorite, and let me see. The subject is about Jupiter, Uranus, and Earth. But what did they do? What happened? And what did they see? What did it look like? And other part about the sentence, must have. And one thing that a planet can do, they can orbit the sun. Orbiting the sun. We will learn it on science time, but a little bit later. Now it's finished. Thanks for watching today.